in 1983 they decided to do the very first race. None of the people involved really knew how to ride penny farthings. They didn't have enough bikes, but they kind of asked around, and they actually had some riders come from interstate. Some years we've had 60, even almost 70 riders, and some that come from overseas. The original design, some from about 1871 they were invented, and they were used actually only for about 15 years or so before the design changed to the bikes that we kind of know. So they weren't actually the bike of the day for all that long, but you know, some of us still like them 150 years later. And it is the biggest event of its kind in the world.